Well, I just wanted to make a video about draining your washing machine into a septic system. Watched a lot of videos and just had a quick idea and wanted to share it. So, as anyone knows with the septic system, it is good to filter your effluent from your washing machine. And you can see why as soon as you do something like this and you filter it out. And I tried these lint traps and we put in this wall and added all of our hookups and everything, and lint trap works alright. I mean, it's got huge area for the fine stuff that's actually going to clog up your system to pass right through. It catches a little bit, but not very much. So I ended up ordering this online on eBay. It's just a screen filter. It's a 120 mesh, so it's fairly small, and the filter element it's about 4 or 5 inches. And I just used some hose clamps, some Gorilla Glue, because it's threaded and the pressure makes the water leak through the threads. So you only need to do it on the inside if you are wanting to save glue, I guess. So just wanted to take this apart and show you kind of what it filters out, and then maybe how to clean it and how easy it is. I'll probably fix this to the wall permanently. I just wanted to make sure it worked first. So here's your filter element, and it's got a little plug on the end of it. I guess you could check it, but you can see down in there that's one load of wash. So this is something I clean every single time I do a load. And the way you clean it is I just have a little bucket here, and you can see what's already in there. But right after you do your load, you just swirl it around in the bucket of water and flip it over and do it again, and it cleans it right out. Just the water flowing in and out of each side knocks it loose, and then it falls right out. And you still got a little bit in there, but it's not anything to worry about, I don't think. And then you put her back together. It just kind of snaps into place, and screw it back on, and this hose is just to keep it from falling behind and rub it on the wall and stuff. And that's pretty much it. So it's easy, and ease of use promotes cleaning it and using it as often as possible. So there you have it.